So hi guys, today we are going to discuss about an anime named Chainswaman. That is very sad and excellent anime. I prefer you to watch this anime. No, let's see. Yeah, very sad story. 3 lakh 80 crore loan he have to go. Even he tried to kill the devils for earning money. That is really fantastic anime. I prefer you to watch this anime. That is named Chainswaman. So inspection department come in a place where Chainswaman reincarnated, or you know about changed the girl named Makima, a officer or a demon. Somehow happy. But that is really very sad anime. Don't prefer if you are a heart, you have a heart problem or anything, don't watch this anime please. Makima is so cute. I am trying to look happy, but the scene is not much more like happiness. So that is why I am not smiling. Someone said that I want to cry. You know about poor boys. That is very fantastic anime. Now that is the 11th episode, and the main thing is that his backstory is very sad, and his girlfriend will never die by a demon. And that is a future watching demon that tells 1 to 2 seconds before his. That is really fantastic anime. I prefer you to watch. Even the new movie is also released in 2025. And demon do not ask for any concept. That is Chainswaman, you know. Blood demon are second, Chainswaman. That is very sad anime. I prefer you to watch this anime. Killed everyone. That is a very fantastic anime. I prefer you to watch this anime. But if you have very hurt. You should please don't watch this anime. Even the next movie of this Chainswaman is very sad. Like Reze wali. What I am able to say about it. Thanks a lot. Ignore this. Somehow that is a very fantastic anime at all. That is really a very fantastic anime at all. Killer of his girlfriend and the demon, even he summoned that. This girl is a snake demon. This demon worked for his love. His backstory is really very sad, like you know about Chainsawman's. Tell me how I am able to smile at anything. This is a very depressed anime. That's a really sad anime.